In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your WordPress site tagline. Whether you're launching a new site or just looking to freshen things up a bit, altering your tagline can help your website better reflect your brand or message. So let's jump in and explore how to do this in a few simple steps. First, we'll need to log in to your WordPress dashboard. Typically, you can access this by entering your domain followed by wp-admin in the address bar of your web browser. Once you've reached the login page, simply enter your username and password, and you'll be inside your dashboard in no time. Now that you're in your WordPress dashboard, look towards the left-hand side of the page, where you'll find a vertical menu. Among the various options, you'll want to click on Settings. This will lead you to a drop-down menu. Go ahead and select General from there. The General Settings page is where you manage many fundamental aspects of your site, and it's here that we can change the tagline. Once you're on the General Settings page, take a moment to locate the Tagline field. By default, this field might read something like, "Just another WordPress site." This default line doesn't do much to convey what your site is really about, so it's a good idea to personalize it. In the tagline field, you'll want to replace the default text with something that succinctly encapsulates your website's purpose or brand identity. Feel free to get creative, but remember to keep it brief and relevant. If you prefer not to have a tagline, you can simply leave this field blank. Removing the tagline entirely is a great option if simplicity and minimalism align better with your vision for your site. Now that you've entered your new tagline or decided to go without one, it's crucial not to forget the final yet vital step: saving your changes. Once you've decided on your tagline, scroll down to the bottom of the General Settings page. Here you'll find a Save Changes button. Clicking this button will ensure that your adjustments are securely saved and reflected on your site. It's always a good idea to double-check your changes once they're saved to make sure everything looks as expected. And there you have it, a new tagline for your WordPress site in just a few simple steps. Updating your site's tagline can immediately inject a refreshed sense of identity and professionalism, and it's a quick win for enhancing your site's overall appearance and effectiveness. Keep in mind that it's often the small details that make the difference, so returning to these settings periodically to ensure they align with your evolving brand can be very beneficial. Now that you know how to do it, feel free to come back and update your site as your brand grows and changes. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.